Good morning, students of class 4th. Students, I am sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, in the last video, I had explained and completed exercise 2 of unit 22 conjunctions, and I am sure all of you must have completed exercise 2. Now children, today I am going to start with the third exercise of conjunctions. So all of you, please take out your English grammar book, turn to page number 90, exercise 3 of conjunctions. Children, please take out your English grammar book, turn to page number 90, as I am going to start with the third exercise of unit 22 conjunctions. Children, before I start the third exercise, let's revise what conjunctions are. Conjunctions are the words which join words, group of words or sentences. Conjunctions are known as joining words. Why? Because they join words, group of words or sentences. Now, let's start with the third exercise. Exercise 3. Join these sentences using but. Now we need to join the sentences with the conjunction but then if you look at the question, you can see that it is written you may have to leave some words while joining. हमें कुछ words को छोड़ना होगा जब हम दो sentence को join करेंगे. So the first sentence, children, is I waited for you, you didn't come. So जहाँ पे full stop है, दो सेंटेंस है. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आई वेटेड फॉर यू, यू डिडंट कम. तो इसमें जहां फुल स्टॉप है वहां हम बट लगाएंगे. एंड कौन सा जो वर्ड है, इसमें कोई वर्ड रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है. सो वील राइट द बोथ द सेंटेंसेस क्लियर विद यूजिंग द जॉइनिंग वर्ड बट. सो आवर सेंटेंस विल बी आई वेटेड for you, I waited for you, but अब जो सेकेंड सेंटेंस का यू का वाई है वो स्मॉल हो जाएगा बिकॉज हम इन कंटिन्यूएशन में सेंटेंस लिखे. वी आर नॉट स्टार्टिंग दी सेंटेंस, सो वी राइट वाई ऑफ यू स्मॉल, यू डिडंट कम. So, the sentence is, I waited for you, but you didn't come. Now the second one. He is poor, he is contented. Contented means satisfied. और यहाँ पे second वाले में कौन सा word repeat हो रहा है? He. So, we will leave the word he. So, our sentence will be, he is poor, but contented. He is poor but contented. Contented means satisfied. Clear? Then the third one. She is quite rich. She is satisfied. Again यहाँ पे she is दोनों sentence में आ रहा है. So we leave the word she is. So our sentence will be, she is quite rich. She is quite rich, but dissatisfied. So she is quite rich but dissatisfied. इसमें she is दोनों sentences में था, तो but के बाद फिर हमने she is नहीं लिखा. Now the fourth one. Mr. Anand Kumar faced many difficulties while running Super 30 program. He did not lose heart. So, this will be Mr. Anand Kumar faced many difficulties Mr. Anand Kumar faced many difficulties while running Super 30 program. But फुल स्टॉप की जगह हम क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा? But, underline it. But he did not lose heart. But he did not lose heart. Lose heart means उन्होंने हिम्मत नहीं हारी. ठीक है, दिल छोटा नहीं किया. So I hope all of you have written these 4 sentences. So now I'm going to erase, children, and I'm going to start with the 5th one. And children, the 5th sentences which we need to join are: she looked everywhere, she couldn't find her purse. So, she repeat हो रहा है, so we will not write she again. We only write one she. She looked everywhere. She looked everywhere. And full stop की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? But she looked everywhere, but couldn't find her purse. She looked everywhere, but couldn't find her purse. So with this, we have completed our exercise 3. I'm sure all of you have done it. Now I'm going to erase and start with exercise 4. Okay. Now exercise 4 is join these sentences using the conjunctions. Join these sentences using the conjunctions given in brackets. Fine. And the first sentence is, he was tired. He had been studying since morning. ये first sentence है. The first sentence is, he was tired, full stop. Then the next second sentence is, he had been studying since morning. अब इन दोनों sentences को हमें किससे join करना है? इन दोनों sentences को हमें as से join करना है. So we'll write, he was tired. He was tired. Then we'll write the conjunction in place of full stop as he has been studying he was tired as, यहाँ हमने full stop की जगह क्या यूज किया, as he has been studying since morning. Clear? He was tired as he has been studying since morning. Full stop की जगह s and then the complete sentence. But keep in mind, जो full stop के बाद का first letter है वो small हो जाएगा, है ना, क्योंकि वहां तो उस वर्ड से ही से हम सेकेंड न्यू सेंटेंस स्टार्ट कर रहे थे, बट यहाँ पे तो हम सेंटेंस स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे. नाउ द सेकेंड वन, यू विल फाइंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स एट दिल्ली हाट, यू विल फाइंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स एट प्रगति मैदान. सो वी राइट यू विल फाइंड handicrafts at Delhi Haat. ओके, अब देखो फुल स्टॉप के बाद फिर से यू विल फाइंड रिपीट हो रहा है, तो जो वर्ड्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं उनको हम नहीं लिखेंगे और हमें किससे ज्वाइन करना है, और से. तो जब भी हमको चॉइस रहती है तो हम और यूज करते हैं. सो यू विल फाइंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स एट दिल्ली हाट और प्रगति मैदान एंड फुल स्टॉप. हमने किससे जोड़ा, और से ये दोनों सेंटेंस जोड़ दिए. देन दी थर्ड वन, आई रैन टू दी बस स्टॉप, आई गॉट इन टू दी बस. ये दोनों सेंटेंसेस को हमको किससे ज्वाइन करना, एंड से. एंड जो वर्ड्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं उनको हम नहीं लिखेंगे. सो आवर सेंटेंस विल बी आई रैन टू दी बस स्टॉप and I को हम नहीं लिखेंगे, got into the bus. So I ran to the bus stop and got into the bus. So I hope all of you have written these 3 sentences. So now I'm going to erase and write the fourth one. Now, the fourth sentence, children, is I ran to the bus stop, I missed the bus. यहाँ पे हमको but से join करना है. So I ran to the bus stop. अब फुल स्टॉप के बाद क्या लगाएंगे, but missed. I रिपीट हो रहा था, so we'll remove I missed the bus. I ran to the bus stop but missed the bus. Now fifth one, would you buy red dress, would you buy blue dress. अब हमको दोनों को और से ज्वाइन करना और यहाँ पे एक चॉइस है. सो वी राइट वुड यू, रिपीट हो रहा है फिर से फुल स्टॉप के बाद, तो हम नहीं लिखेंगे. वुड यू बाय रेड ड्रेस और blue dress, and at the end question mark. Would you buy red dress or blue dress? Now the sixth sentence of this exercise. He laughed. He saw the baby making faces. दोनों को किससे ज्वाइन करना है, when से. So our sentence will be he laughed फुल स्टॉप के बाद when, अंडरलाइन इट, H स्मॉल हो जाएगा बिकॉज सेंटेंस कंटिन्यूएशन में वी नॉट स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू सेंटेंस. सो when he saw the baby making, baby making faces. So he laughed when he saw the baby making faces. So with this, children, we have completed exercise 4. Now I'm going to erase and I'm going to start with the 5th exercise, which is you need to circle the correct option. You need to circle the correct option. And let's write the heading, circle the correct option. Okay, now the first one. I'll go to the market but and purchase air fryer. So first में आपको choice किस में है? But में and में. So circle करना है. So we'll encircle and we'll cross out but. So our sentence will be, I'll go to the market and purchase air fryer. Then the second one. Though oblique when Virat played well, his team lost the match. तो यहाँ पे दो आएगा. दो हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब कॉन्ट्रास्ट आइडियाज होते हैं, ऑपोजिट एक्शंस, है ना, कि विराट ने अच्छा तो खेला लेकिन उसके बाद भी उसकी जो है टीम हार गई. सो वी एनसर्कल दो and we cross out when. Then the third one. Again, though and when. So, though when Virat started playing, his team won the match. अब यहाँ पे when. So, we'll encircle when and we'll cross out though. Then the fourth one. Unless and when. So, unless when you run, you will miss the bus. So, unless कि जब तक दौड़ोगे नहीं बस नहीं पकड़ पाओगे. So, encircle unless and cross out when. Then the fifth one. Unless if you run, you will catch the bus. So, इसमें unless है and if है. So, अब यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? If you run, you will catch the bus. So, encircle if and cross out unless. Done? I hope everyone is done. Now, I'm going to erase and write the sixth one. Okay. Now, children, the sixth one is if yet you want success, work hard. If and yet. So, condition भी. So, जब condition रहे, so if. Cross out yet. If you want success, work hard. 7. Drink a glass of water if or you are thirsty. Choices between if or. So, encircle if because or कब use करते हैं जब choice हो. So, drink a glass of water if you are thirsty. Then the eighth one. We came back from the zoo as ऑब्लिक सो इट वॉज क्लोज्ड. सो यहाँ पे एज को एनसर्कल करेंगे, सो को कट करेंगे. So we came back from the zoo as it was closed. Then the 9th one. When oblique until the chairperson concluded his speech, everybody started clapping. So in this, when the chairperson concluded means finished. So encircle when and cross out until. Then the 10th one. Shall we go to Humayun tomb or but Jantar Mantar? अब जहाँ भी चॉइस रहती है बेटा, तो वहाँ पे हमेशा और को लेते हैं. So encircle or and cross out but. Clear? Now I'm going to erase and write the 11th one. Okay. The 11th sentence, children, is leave early but if you want to avoid traffic jams. So but and if में choice है. So encircle if and cross out but. So leave early if you want to avoid traffic jams. Then 12th. We followed the rule so since we had no problems at all. So and since. जहाँ रीजन पहले दिया हो वहां पे so. Since tells you a period of time. So cross out since. Then the 13th one. Swami Vivekananda said that if education is the manifestation of perfection already in men. तो that और if में जब किसी के वर्ड्स हम as it is कोट करते हैं तो हम that यूज करते हैं. So encircle that and cross out if. Now the 14th one. Arise awake and oblique if stop not, and then again one more is given until oblique when. The goal is reached, said Swami Vivekananda. So arise, awake, and encircle and cross out if. Stop not until. Encircle until. The goal is reached, said Swami Vivekananda. Then the 15th one. If oblique after. You want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun, said Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So encircle if and cross out after. So with this, we have completed our exercise 5 and unit 22 conjunctions. I am sure all of you have completed this. With this, children, I end today's video. That's all for today. Thank you, children. Have a good day ahead.